Hello, and welcome back to Kitchen Counter Yoga. In our past times together, we've worked with individual standing poses, and now it's time to put some of those poses together into a little bit of a yoga flow, a little yoga workout. So let's get started. Standing at the kitchen counter. Let your hands rest lightly on the counter. And then just roll up through your feet. Lift from your lower abdomen. And press your heels back down towards the floor. Roll up through your feet. Lift from your lower abdomen. Press your heels down towards the floor. Roll up through your feet, lift through your lower abdomen. Let's add a little slide your shoulders down your back. Lift your sternum towards the ceiling. Inhale, come up. And press your heels down towards the floor. Let's take your left foot back, way back. Your right knee is forward, and reach that knee towards the kitchen counter. You're getting a nice stretch here in that back thigh. Hands are lightly resting on the kitchen counter. Lift from your lower abdomen. Extend those arms forward. Slide your shoulder blades down your back. Reach up. Look up. Hands come back down to the counter. Step forward. Roll up through your feet. Back down through your heels and step your right foot back. Coming back into a warrior one pose. Your left knee is extending towards the counter. Your right inner thigh is stretching, your right groin. Arms come forward. Shoulder blades work like a hinge, sliding down your back to bring your arms up. Lift from your lower abdomen. Hands come back down to the kitchen counter. Step your feet forward. Roll up through your feet. Press your heels back down. And step back to a downfaced dog. Press your hips way back. Keep your navel lifting towards your spine. And press your hips back towards the back of the room. Press your navel up again. Reach forward. Let your elbows sink down to the floor, coming into a kitchen counter plank. And then press back to your downfaced dog. Stepping forward with that left foot, stepping back with your right foot. And again, reach that left knee forward. Lift from your lower abdomen, extend your arms, slide your shoulder blades down your back. Reach up. Hands come back down to the counter. Step up, change legs. Right knee is pointing towards the counter. Lift from that lower abdomen. Left leg is stretching back. Arms reach forward. And up. Reach up. Look up. Hands come back down to the counter. Step up to the counter and back. Give your spine a nice long stretch in downfaced dog. Really feel this between your shoulder blades. Lift your navel up towards your spine. Stretch between your shoulder blades, stretch along the outside of your arm as it reaches into your torso. And then lift your navel, come up, elbows descend, coming into a kitchen counter plank. Once more into Downfaced Dog. And step forward to the counter. Roll up through your feet. Press your heels back down. Control this with your lower abdomen, lifting up, and lift up even more as you press your heels back down. Take your legs wide at the kitchen counter. Coming into a warrior two pose, turn your left foot forward, toes are parallel to the counter. Right toes are pointed in just a little bit. Open that front knee towards your little toe and back up. Just warming up that inner thigh. Open and back up. Open. Arms come to your sternum. Arms reach out, looking out over that front hand. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, come up. And let's turn to the other side. Right foot is extended straight forward, parallel to your counter. Left toes are turned in just a little bit. Opening that front knee towards your little toes. And up. Opening. And up. Don't let that knee come past your ankle. Keep your shin parallel to the floor. Torso turns towards the counter. Arms come to your sternum. And look out over your front hand. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, come up. Hands come to the kitchen counter. Shinny your legs back together and stretch your spine back, Downfaced Dog. Inhale, come up, use your lower abdomen into your kitchen counter plank. And back, Downfaced Dog. Inhale, come up, exhale into plank. And back to Downfaced Dog. Take 3 long breaths here. Spine is fully stretched. Step your feet forward to the kitchen counter. And again, roll up through your feet. Roll down through your left foot. And back up, roll down through your right foot. I have my right and left mixed up. Roll down through your right foot. Roll down through your left foot. Feel the alternating work in your inner thighs. This movement demands something a little bit different from each leg. Pay attention to what your body is doing. Back down through your left foot, up on both feet, and again. Step back to your Downfaced Dog. Extend forward into your kitchen counter plank. Elbows descend. And feet come forward. Once again, legs come out to the side. Turn your left toes forward. Your right toes are turned in a little bit. And open that knee towards your pinky toe, towards the pinky toe side of your feet. Lifting through your lower abdomen. Turn your torso towards the counter. Not from your hips, but from your lower ribs. Lift your arms to your sternum and look out over that front hand. Pressing long through that back heel. Reaching through that front inner thigh. 2 deep breaths. And let's turn to the other side. Turning your right toes forward, your left toes in a little bit. Open that front knee towards the pinky toe side of your feet. Keep that shin perpendicular to the floor. Turn your ribs to face the counter. Hands come to your sternum and out. Look out over that front palm. And breathe. Really focus on your breath in these postures. You don't want to hold your breath. You really want your breath to fill your body while you're stretching, while you're extending, while you're working your muscles back up through your feet, lift through your lower abdomen, and roll down. Back up through your feet, roll down, and step back to Downfaced Dog. Long breath all the way down the length of your spine. See if you can take your thighs even a little bit further back. This will extend the stretch in your spine. And breathe. Inhale forward into your plank. Exhale back to Downfaced Dog. Inhale forward into your plank. Exhale back to Downfaced Dog. Lift from your lower abdomen. And step your feet back to the kitchen counter. Again, roll up through those feet. Slide your shoulder blades down your back. Lift your sternum to the ceiling. And inhale, come up. Lower your heels. Once again, take that left foot way back. Front leg is forward. Knee extends. Arms come forward. Shoulder blades reach your arms up. Step back. Change legs. Right leg comes back. Arms come forward. Left knee is extending. Shoulder blades slide down your back. And come up. Legs together, legs apart. Open those left toes parallel to the counter. Open that left knee towards the little toes. Turn your torso. Arms come out and look over the top of that left hand. Remember to breathe. Don't let your breathing go in any of these postures. Inhale, come back up. Turn to the other side. Open that front knee towards those little toes. Shin is perpendicular to the floor. Torso turns from your lower ribs and look out over that front hand. Another nice, deep breath. Inhale, come up. Legs come to the kitchen counter, up through your feet, down through your heels, up through your feet, down through your heels. We spend so much time in shoes. Really coming up on your toes opens your capacity in your feet, extends your toes, brings more life to that part of your body. Back into kitchen counter plank. And feet come towards the counter. Once again up. Slide your shoulder blades down your back. Inhale, come up. Heels come down. Hands come together at your heart. Thank you so much for being with me today. Namaste.